All right, so we're in Florida, and I wanted to check and see how cold my pool was. So I bought this thermometer. It's a pool thermometer, but you got to get it down in there because it's got to sink when you first get it. So right now it's showing the temperature at about 65 out. But let's go ahead and put her in the pool and see how cold the water is. See how it kind of floats? So you got to get it like so that one, oh, there we go. Now we got it. So there's a little hole in there that's got to fill up with water so that it sets in there. And we're going to give it a couple minutes here and see what happens. I think that might be long enough. What do you think it is? This looks like it's saying about 68 degrees, which is kind of cold for the pool. I'm going to bring it over here, and I think I'm going to tie it off on maybe the stick over here. Right here, I'm going to just put it around that stick and then just let it sit there. So I'm just going to make a loop on it and just put it on this stick right here like this. Whoops, screwed it up. Just going to go like that. That way I get to it. All right, and then I can just let it sit in there. So anyway, it has been pretty cold here for the last couple days. I mean, it was actually got down into the 40s here in Florida. So the pool is pretty cool. And I bought this thermometer online. I just wanted to see what the temperature in my pool was. And it looks like it's about 68 degrees, maybe 65 degrees. So the way this thermometer works is you gotta get it so it sits in there, and there's a little hole on it. And when you first get it, it may float sideways, but once it gets a little water in that hole there, then it goes down. You see what I mean? Like this. See how it's filling with air right there? It's pumping out. There we go. And now it'll just sit down there and you can tell what the temperature of your pool is. And what I did was it comes with this cord, and I just tied it onto here. I got a little stick next to the pool, and that way I can see how cold my water is before I dive in, give myself a freaking heart attack. You gotta watch out for the bougainvillea. That sucker will get you. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.